Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Now without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the analysis which I've done for the coming week. Okay, now traders, the first stock in my watch list is Balkrishna Industries 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so if I draw a trend line like this with maximum number of touches, I can clearly see that this range was acting as support. Again, this range was acting as support. Now for the third time also it was acting as support. Right? So we can see this trend line is a strong support line. Now for the fourth time, this stock has come to this level. Alright? Now at this level, we can see we have got a bullish green candle. Alright? With high volume. You can see the volume here. Right? So I strongly feel this stock has the potential to go up next week. Okay? If the market is bullish on Monday, there's a high chance for this stock to go up. Traders, have already made a video on YouTube about trendline strategy. In that I have clearly told, as long as the stock does not breach this trend line, there is nothing to worry. So this looks like a very promising stock for me. Okay, so I will keep my entry here. This previous swing is there, right? If I mark that level, my stop loss has to be here. Alright, that is little below the previous swing. Alright, and my target can be 1:2. As long as the stock rejects this level and stays below the trend line, it will not hit our stop loss. Okay, so looking at how the market reacts on Monday, for sure I will take a position in Balkrishna. Alright, now traders, the second stock in my watch list is Tata Chemicals. Okay, last week I clearly told that Tata Chemicals is making a symmetric pattern and it's given a breakout here, right? So I said I will be entering here. So I have already taken my position. A lot of people who watch my video, even they said that they took position and they made very good profit. Okay. Now if you look at the same chart at 15 minutes time frame, it gave a breakout where I said, right? A lot of people made this profit, including me. I still have the position of Tata Chemicals. Okay. Now what I can observe here is, if you watch closely, it's forming a symmetric pattern for the second time. This is the resistance level and this is the support level. Traders, I'll just zoom it and show it to you. Now for the second time, it's creating a symmetric pattern. Okay, so those people who did not enter the trade here, you can enter here. Okay, above 754. Okay, and the target will be here. This resistance will be our target. If we get a breakout, this will be entry, this will be the target. Okay, but if we get a breakdown, we need to wait until this level. After this level, if we get a breakdown, we will enter the trade and our target will be, this level will be our first target, this level will be our second target. Okay, so until and unless this range is broken, we will not be taking a trade. Okay, that is about Tata Chemicals. Now let me show you the other three stocks which is there in my watch list for next week. Now traders, the next stock in my watch list is Tata Steel daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Tata Steel is making a bullish flag pattern. Just see here, this is the pole, okay, and this is the flag. Okay, this is the pole and this is the flag, and at this level I've got a breakout. This breakout is with volume confirmation. Okay, so tomorrow if Nifty is positive, I will look for trading opportunity in Tata Steel. My entry will be here, my stop loss will be here, and my first target will be here, and my second target will be this level, little lower than this. Okay, so that was my observation in Tata Steel. Now let's look into the last two stocks. Now traders, the next stock in my watch list is Coal India daily time frame. Okay, what I can observe here is, this is the cup, okay, and this is the handle. Okay, after this, here we have got a clear breakout. This breakout is with volume confirmation, right? Since Coal India is making a bullish cup and handle pattern, I will be interested to take a trade in the stock. Okay, now my target will be the length of this cup. Okay, so 187 is my target, which is this level. Yeah, my entry is here. Okay, and my stop loss will be here. We have given a very small stop loss because after cup and handle pattern, the market has to rally towards the upside. Okay, if this is a false breakout, then it will come and hit our stop loss. But anyways, we will take a very small stop loss. But Monday when I check on a lower time frame, as soon as I get a bullish confirmation to trade, I will enter the stock. Okay, so this was my observation on Coal India, and I will take a trade in Coal India. If the market is bullish tomorrow and Coal India is also bullish, I will enter the trade. Now traders, the final analysis for this week is Nifty Bank 4-hour time frame. Okay, if I draw a support line like this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, so if I draw a trend line like this, okay, and here if I get a breakdown candle, okay, with good volume, then I will take a trade in Nifty Bank. If Nifty is positive tomorrow or for the entire week, I'm not at all interested in going long in Bank Nifty. If I get a breakdown with volume, then I will enter the trade. My exit will be here. Again at this level, if the market is trying to reject, then I will exit the trade, or else I will hold the position until next Thursday. Okay, now in this video I have spoken about symmetric pattern, cup and handle pattern, flag pattern. All these patterns frequently we can see in the market. Okay, anyone who is interested to know how to trade this, you can check out my course. In that course I have given 6 price action strategies along with 4 frequently used patterns and how to trade them. Okay, the link will be there in the description. If you are interested, you can go and check it out. Okay, so traders, we have come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you feel any of your friends can benefit from this, just share this video with them. Alright, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.